Welcome back to Hardworking Man. Today, we're gonna see if somebody with zero experience running a mini excavator can dig out some stumps. This is part of the Woodyard expansion project. I tried to rip these out with the tractor. I thought it was gonna be easy and I got my butt kicked. And I'm probably going to again. I'm gonna look like a baby giraffe trying to learn how to walk running this thing, but we're gonna see, can someone with no experience and an old beat up mini excavator dig some stumps? And is that gonna be easier than me just figuring out how to burn these things out or something? But I figured, well, I got this thing here before I bring it back to the neighbors. Let's see if I can dig with this. I really want one of these. After I'm done with this, I might not want one anymore. We'll see how this works. The first thing we gotta do is see if we can get this old Deere running. It's been sitting since we installed the outdoor wood burner. So it's been a few months. I'm hoping it'll fire up. You're gonna join along with me as we find out. Then I'm gonna drive it out to the Woodyard and dig some stumps, I think. This could be worse than me trying to change tires. If you wanna see how it works, stick around and find out. When I say this thing's beat up, that's what I mean. Like, this is the safety thing, I guess, for when you move this out of the way to move, it got ripped off. So the new system is an alligator clip and a bare wire. You clip it on there and that should make the hydraulics work. Now we need to see if it'll start. We do still have battery power. The glow plugs are going. I don't believe there's a clutch or anything I have to press. Let's see if she'll go. And it's a no. Let's go grab a jump pack and get some juice to this thing and see if then we can get it fired up. All right, we got the Vitomin jump pack hooked up. Hopefully that'll get it going. It might help if I knew what I was doing. Come on, girl. Ah. Come on. Come on. There we go. All right, let's let this warm up and I'll show you the stumps we're gonna be after. So here they are. This is a little raised up mound of stumps where there used to be trees, which is why they're stumps, that I cut down to expand the Woodyard. But with this raised up mound here, they're in the way. I tried to rip them out with the tractor. That was a complete and utter fail. Hopefully the mini is not a complete and utter fail. Some of the stumps I can just cut low and run them over. It's not a big deal, but with these, it just was a raised up mound. These gotta go in order for this to be more usable space. Okay, I just tried to move this thing around a little bit so I can drive it out to the Woodyard, and I can tell you guys right now, this could be one of the worst mini excavator operators you've ever seen. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm gonna go do it. There we go. I'm also gonna drive with my hands, not my feet, which I know real operators drive with their feet. Maybe I'll do my feet, because I made a short driving this thing and I got destroyed for using my hands, so I guess I gotta use my feet. Like a pro, I have no hands. Oh, that's to swing it. All right. I do know to put the blade down. Oh, not that far. Okay, so this we're in business. Man, this is bad.
Ah! A little scary.
There we go. I'll tell you what, I have a whole new respect for people like my buddy who know how to operate one of these things. You guys thought it was bad watching me try to change a tire. Oh, we got one. Baby. Ah! Come on out. Come on.
Focus, determination.
I have no idea what I'm doing. Ah! Come on. My goodness! I have no idea what I'm doing!
The dog better watch out. Jasmine!
How do people do this? They make it look so easy. I'm terrible at this.
I mean, something's happening with these stumps.
I think I got one. Ah! Oh, goodness. I got it. Ah! Why do people make this look so easy? Is it like a training class?
Whoa, where are you going?
I have no idea what I'm doing. I've got to be making progress. Come on out of there. Woo! Like a pro operator. I got that sucker. Hold on now, I watched my buddy do this. You use the blade to help scoop it in. Or not. All right, I'm gonna move that with the grapple from the tractor. But I think we can get another one here. That was absolutely terrible at running a Mini X, but I got a bunch of these stumps ripped loose. I'm gonna now use something that I don't suck at running, the Coyote with the grapple, and I'm gonna pull these out of here and see if we can't get one or two that are left here, and then we'll be able to smooth this area out. I'll do that with the tractor, because that thing, I have no idea what I'm doing. How people run those and make it look like an extension of their body is beyond me. You must have thousands of hours in the seat. Of course, I have no training. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm getting it done, and that's what matters. And that's what we do here on Hard Working Man. I see why I was unable to pull this stump out with my tractor. These roots are huge. I picked it up! Now I have to not drop it.
Uh-oh.
Oh yeah! I'm like an operator. Look at that thing.
That's huge.
Boom! Knock some dirt out of her.
Uh-oh.
Look at that root ball. No wonder I can't dig these things out with the tractor. I got quite a hole here. Check that thing out.
No, that's pretty deep.
Look at this thing. My gosh. I don't know how much that weighs, but I'm gonna have to, I'm not gonna have a hill here anymore. I had to dig quite a bit to get that bad boy out. And I didn't even hit the buried power line to the house, so that's cool too. I actually called Miss Dig before and I knew there was nothing here, so we're safe. So I'm gonna get this stump out of here. I'm not gonna make you guys watch me just push all this dirt back in. I'm doing it with the tractor. I know a real Mini X operator would do it with the Mini X. I have a whole new respect for people that can run those things somewhat not looking like I just did. But that's what we do on Hard Working Man, try new things. I still want a Mini, but I'm not nearly as excited for one because that was rough. Look at my pile of stumps! Okay, so I lied. I do want a mini excavator. After a little bit of work with the tractor, look at this. I took what was unusable space and made it pretty nice with zero experience on the mini excavator and then the tractor and the back blade. digging these stumps out. I'll do a little bit more work and get some stone down, and our wood yard is shaping up so much nicer here at home. I was really surprised how well that went for as bad as I operated that thing. But man, some of those stumps were giant. I mean, look at this pile of stumps. I mean, giant for me. And the dirt that was left actually filled it in pretty nicely for how much I took out with these stumps. So I'll be on the hunt for a mini. We'll keep shaping up the wood yard, keep getting stuff done, bringing you guys content. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you got some laughs out of it, because I know I did. I literally had no idea what I was doing on that thing. And I think that's pretty evident by the video. But the end result is a huge win. Thanks for watching, guys.